Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Do you want to wrap yourself in beautiful, soft luxury? Well, I'm sure everyone does, but you definitely will be if you go with this beautiful Turkish cotton blanket from Dalisa. I love that I can use this blanket in every season thanks to its beautiful textured fabric. It would be great on a chilly day in the fall or nice and light and airy for a warmer day where you need just a little bit of blanket under a fan. The blanket is a generous size and it really feels so warm and cozy every time I snuggle up with it. And I also love that it is washable as well. Because it comes pre-washed, I don't have to worry about it shrinking, but rather I can just take it out and enjoy that softness over and over. Because the blanket is so cozy and soft, it would make a beautiful gift for a baby or for someone that you really love. It comes in a beautiful box. Or get one for yourself and for your home. I love that this looks beautiful whether I put it in my living room or in my bedroom as a beautiful, luxurious throw that I can snuggle up with. But that's just my point of view.